Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here one more job in IRCON International Limited, that is Works Engineer Civil and Works Engineer S&T. Okay, so this is a fixed consolidated pay, that is 36,000 per month. Okay, so 60 posts for civil and 14 posts for S&T. Okay, so essential qualification is full-time graduate degree of civil engineering and full-time graduation degree not less than 60% marks from the recognized university from AICT in electronics, electronics engineering, electronic communication, electronic instrumentation and control, computer science. Okay, the maximum age is on 1st March 2021, that is 30 years, and the post qualification experience minimum 1 year experience in relevant field, and vacancies especially for the posting of IRCON office project Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Bihar, JNK, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Gujarat or Odisha. Okay, the medical standard should be sound health. Okay, the general conditions, written exam or interview will be there. Okay, the candidate may be shortlisted the ratio of 1:7 advertised vacancy. Okay, so one vacancy there will be the 7 candidate, there can be the 7 candidate. Okay, the final posting will be as per the IRCON requirement. No change in posting at any stage of the recruitment will be entertained. Minimum prescribed under EPF. Okay, so one leave for each calendar month of service can be availed during the contract period. One weekly off and other public holidays when the project office remains closed would be available. Working hours day will as same for the project. Okay, the instructions, you eligible candidate have to apply through online mode. Candidate may visit the HR career section in the IRCON corporate website ircon.org. Okay, I will give the link in the description box, and the candidate are advised to keep the scanned copy of latest passport size photo, colored photograph and signature in JPG format and 100 KB each along with the PDF. Okay, the candidate should mention percentage in the field where percentage is required without rounding off. Percentage obtained in BTech. Okay, now in case of CGPA, DGPA, in case of CGPA percentage not provided, if university not provide percentage, so you have to take the percentage 6 on 10 point scale will be the considered as 60%. Okay, the method of submission, the application candidate may visit the HR and career section of IRCON International. Now you have to click on apply online link. Then you have to register your date of birth, complete detail, experience and whatever the details are asking in the form. After that, completing the above set details application form, submitting the same, next screen will be appear the uploading the documents. You have to upload your documents. Now upload documents and last passport size photograph and signature also. After choosing the files of uploading, click on upload the documents button, upload the chosen files at once, then click on the return back. Click on the view and final submission, then click on final submission. Candidate may take out printout for finally submitted application form to clicking on the link, receive the mail after final submission of the application. In case of candidate realize after final submission of application that he she entered a wrong information of the application submitted, a fresh application may be submitted with a different email ID. The same process may be followed. Candidates are advised to make the note of their email ID as entertained the application form of application number. Candidates have to take a printout of finally submission application and send it to the DGM HRM. Okay, you have to send the hard copy to the DGM of IRCON International. Okay, with your certificates. Now application will have to send their printout application with the request enclosure to reach the 28 April 2021, and post for work engineer, you have to fill the application with the work engineer civil or work S&T, and address is DGM HRM IRCON International Limited, C4 District Center, Saket, New Delhi, and last date of application online, that is 18 April and the last date of receipt the copy of the online submitted application, that is 28th April, okay, 2021. So please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you, good day and take care. Please share this video to others also.